Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel, and this is gonna be the second part of the 2024 people. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hit that like button right away, guys. And if you want to be a part of my awesome class, this is the number 549-2161. Prefer you send me a WhatsApp, guys. The phone get busy at times. Let's go, let's go. So if you call me, you don't get me, just call back, please. All right, so let's go. It's a given that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 over 1000 meters, then 2500 milliliters in meter is. So basically it takes 1000 millimeter to give you 1 meter. So we can just take it from there. So if you have 2500 millimeters, all we have to do is divide by 100. 1000. What am I saying? What am I saying? So that would work out to 2.5. Let me get a ticker thing, guys. Hit the like button if you have not done so. If you have not watched my other 1000 multiple choice video, you need to scroll through. Ensure you subscribe so you can watch the next video. Alright, item 32, we have the following diagram, which a sector of a circle, AOB, such that AOB is equal to 60 degrees and OB is equal to R units long. The area of AOB, so it's basically we want the area of the sector, which is the angle over 360 times pi r squared. Of course, the angle is 60, so it's going to be 60 over 360 times pi r squared. You don't want us to find the final answer, you just want to give us in terms of pi. So let's go divide this 6 into 6, 1, 6 into 36, 6 times. So it's 1/6 pi r squared, which is actually A. Let's go, guys. Hit that like button if you have not done so. Share it if you have not done so as yet. The volume in centimeter cube of a cube with edge 3 centimeters. Now, how do we find the volume of a cube? Now, a cube has all sides equal. So what we do, we find the area of the base times the height. Let me try to draw a cube. So persons who don't know cube can have an idea. All right, so if this is 3, means that all the lengths are 3. So how we have to do, find the area for the base, which is 9, and then we times it by 3, which is 27. We got in the PEP. Any PEP student here? Let me know. Our SCA, big up yourself. All right, so let's move on to 34. The perimeter of a square is 48 centimeters. What's its area? Now, if the perimeter is 48, it means that each side would be 48 divided by 4, which works out to 12, right? And the area would be 12 times 12, which is 144. Guys, draw a thing, make us have an idea of how it look and so forth. If you have not liked the video yet, you don't know where I wait for. If you're not subscribed, you don't know where I wait for. If you have not watched the other 1000 videos on multiple choice on my channel, don't know what you're waiting on. You have to try to get 60 out of 60, guys. Let's go, let's go. We try the following figure, drawn to scale as an area equal to a half, 1/5, 5 plus 4 times 2. So A and B, this is A and B, so this is, yeah, can be this, 4 and 5, no, that will be the height, all right? So I think it's gonna be D, because I'm not seeing it so far. So 4 plus 5 times 2, definitely D. So it's half AB, which this is A, this is B, and this is the height. The area of a rectangle is 53.6 centimeters square. If the length is multiplied by 4 and the width is half, the area is, so basically, it's like you times it by 4 and divide by 2. So it's like you times it by 2. So that should be 107.2. Let's move on to 37. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Let's say item 37 refer to the following diagram, which shows a sector of a circle. If the length of the minor arc PQ is 8 centimeters, so this is 8, What is the length of the circumference of the circle? Watch our style, guys. Now, how many 60 degrees are in 360? That's the first thing we need to know, because all the 60 degrees is going to equal to 8. So if you have 6 of them, right? Another 60 is going to be that. I did that in a previous video, right? So it's going to be 6 times 8, which is 48 centimeters. Hope you guys visualize that. Let's move on to 38. The area of a triangle is 30 centimeter and its base is 10 centimeter. What is the height? I'm going to go back to what we know. We know that the base times the height, and you divide by 2, and that gives you the area, right? So let's look at it. So what's the base? The base is 10. So it's 10 times the height, divide by 2, and that must give you 30. You got something there where we multiply by 2, so it's 10h equal to 30 multiplied by the 2, which gives us 60. And of course, we're going to divide by 10 to get h by itself. This is a long way, guys. This is a long way. So that should be 6. And let it make sense. 6 times 10 is 60 divided by 2. That is 30. Let's move on to 39. Item 39 refers to the following diagram, which shows the number of children aged 4, 5, 6, and 8 who took part in a survey. Why am I not getting the side? I can't move over to the left one. So let me small it up a bit. What age is the modal? Now the modal age would be the tallest bar, which is 7. So 5, yes, so 7 as the most. So it's gonna be 7. All right, let's move on to number 40. 40 to 42 represent the following diagram, which shows the cumulative frequency curve based on the mark of 200 students who took a driving test. The median mark scored by the 200 students is, now the median, so we have to go read off. I don't like these type of questions, you know. I'm not sure of computer. All right, so this would make it 100. So the median would be 200 divided by 2, basically. So it's 100 right here, and we then go and read off 35, 36, 37, about 37. So the median mark would be 37. So here we have it, we have 37.5, so I can work with that. All right, so what is the interquartile range of the marks scored by the 200 students? Now the interquartile range, we need to find Q3 first, and to do that, we find 3/4 of 200 and take off that reading. So it will be 3/4 of 200, or they call this Q3, fancy name please. 4 into 4, 1, 4 into this, 5, so that's 50. 3 times that, 150. So I'm going to take a reading at 150. We have 80, 100, so we're going up by what? 20, 140, 160. All right, so this is 140. So 150 would be halfway between this. So we have 4, 8, so about here, so, and then we come down, down. Oh Lord. All right. Call that 40 something. All right, next we need Q3 and to find Q1. And to find Q1, it's just n divided by 4, so it's going to be 200 divided by 4, which is 50. So I'm going to take that reading there. 40, 60. So that means halfway between this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, halfway, that'd be about here. So I don't like it, guys. I don't like it, man. So this is our 41, 41, 42, 43. About 43. This one is 25, 26, 27. About 27. So roughly, roughly. The closest answer to that I'm gonna choose. We need 3 more, so about 13, 16, about 16. So it gonna be 12. My estimate is off 45, 46. Oh, probably about less than that, probably about here, so. And this one could be off as well. Yeah, about that. So that would be the 13, 12 would be the correct one, 12.5. All right, let's move on. Hit the like button if you have not done so. If you have not share it now, guys. If 38% of the students pass the test, what was the mark? What on it? Which one that is related to? What is it? Oh, this one is related to this because I was wondering. Yeah, it's from 40 to 42. They did say it. I think I missed that. Yeah, the item 40 to 42. All right, if 38% of the students passed the test, what was the pass mark? So 38%, we need to read off that. Where does 38% stop? 38%. Yeah, that works out to 1, 2, so that's 76 students pass if it's 38 out of 200. All right, Trigonometry says the following table shows the frequency of scores obtained by students in a test. The range of the scores is, the range would be the highest value. So basically, this is the highest value because this is the highest score. This will be the lowest. So it will be 10 take away 2, which is 8. So that's C for the range. 44, item 44 refers to the following two-way table, which shows the mode of transportation to school for a particular day for a group of 200 students. A male is picked at random from the group. What is the probability that he does not walk to school on that day? So it's a male, it have to be a male that does not walk. So this one represents that does not walk. I think I did this already. So it will be 30 plus 50, which is 80 over 108, which works out to 20 into that. 80, no, 4 into that, 20, and then 27. I think I did work out this one already. So I kind of knew the answer. All right, let's go. Let's go. Hit the like button, guys, if you have not done so. Which of the following represent the graph of a function? A looks good. Let me see. That not good. That not good. What it is, guys, an x must only go to one y in order for it to be a function. So see there, it's a share. What if I share in a one, right? One x must go to one y. So this one will be our best solution. I don't know why it's not straight, So that's A. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Share it, guys. Share it. Don't be selfish now. If you have not subscribed, you're missing out on a lot. Alright, if f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, find the value of f negative 3. So all we're going to do, we're going to plug negative 3 wherever we see x. So I put that now. So it's going to be 2 times negative 3 squared minus 1. So we square first according to the Bundas rule. So that gives a 9. And then 2 nines, 18 minus 1, which is 17. Very nice one. That will trick students. Item 47 refers to the group of a straight line. The line AB cuts the y-axis at, is it 0, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2, or 0, negative 2? So this is when x is 0, so this is at negative 2. It's at A. Alright, this is just a distractor. And this is the y-axis. Alright, let's go with the like button if you have not done so. A few more to go, guys. The equation of the line which passes through the point 0, 5 and has a gradient of 4 is, so all straight line graph is in the form y equal mx plus c. Now the gradient is represented by m, which is 4. I think once you get the 4 based on this, but let's just see that this got the axis at 5. C is the y-intercept. So there we have it. Y is equal to that. Hit the like button now, guys, man. Do not do that if you want to deal with, man. Ready for the exam? The range of f of x in the domain x3 is equal to, so this one, can do this one first, is negative 2 to the cube, which means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, which works out to negative 8. This is the only one with 8, right? And if you cube 2, you're going to get the 8, and it includes the 0. Alright, let's go. 50 to 51 refer to the following graph of the function. The values of x for which y equals that intersects y equals 0. Now the line y equals 0 is the actual x-axis, and it's where the graph cuts the x-axis. So it's at 0 and 4. Hit the like button now, guys, if you appreciate it. I'll try for the phone. So that's A. The coordinates of the turning point. Now, the coordinates of the turning point is actually the highest point on the graph in this case, which is from 2. So it's 2, 4. Remember, you must read your x first before your y. So that's 2, 4. Don't go pick 4, 2 by mistake, you know, guys. Watch it. I want to think about the exam. 52, which of the following pairs of lines is perpendicular? Now, when it's perpendicular, it have the negative reciprocal. Alright, so let's see if we can figure it out. So if we solve with this one, it should have be 3 over 2 for this one. I'm going to solve them quickly. So it's negative 3 over 2 for the first part. Let's go over the 3. It's going to be negative 3 divided by negative 2. So that's not it. Can cross out this. This are only parallel. Alright. But this one now, we're going to solve for y. So we're going to divide by 4. So it's actually this one then. So this, when we divide by 4, we're going to get 1 over 4 x plus 1 over 4. And the gradient for this one is negative 4. Alright, so I'm going to consider that one here now. So this one is negative x. And then we divide by 2. This one, yeah, it's definitely C. Alright, 53 says, refers to the following diagram. What transformation maps PQR onto that? And that's a reflection. You don't need no bag of chat into that, right? 54 now. Item 54 refers to the diagram of the isosceles triangle. In the triangle, the value of x is, so this is an isosceles, that means the base angles are equal. So we have 180 minus 30 plus 30, which is 60. So that's about 120. So this is 120 degrees. Let's move on to 55. Let's go, guys. Hit the like button if you have not done so. Identify to the transformational diagram in which line AB and CD are parallel. What's the value of x and y? They are equal. Z angles, alternate angles. Let's move on to 56. Hit the like button if you have not done so. The length MO in centimeter is MO. What are MO did it? MO. Alright, so we can see that they are similar triangles. This is 3. So we just divide this by 2. So that will be 3.5. So for this one, MO is 3.5. Let's move on to 57. We have about 3 minutes to go, guys. The image of P, the image of a point P, 1, 2 under translation is that. What is the translation vector? So what they did was they have a P, the other translation, and then that give you the P. So I could just put it in, now complicate it, very simple, right? We don't know what the T is, but we know what this is. We're supposed to get -5, -4. That look at about -6. If you add -6 to this and -6 to this, you get it. I'm going to transpose it though. T is equal to -5, -4, and then you're going to minus the 1, minus the 2. So I was correct. This one would be our answer. Hit the like button if you appreciate what Mr. Benito does, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 58 items the version of the following diagram. OA da 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 da. What is the scale factor of the enlargement? So here, this is the original. So we have 1 unit and then we have 2 units. So we can see that the scale factor is 2. 59 is a repeated question. A plane is flying in a direction of 45 degrees and changes its course clockwise direction to 135. The angle through which it turns is 135 minus 45, which gives us 90. For those who want a number, want to be a part of my class, this is my number. 876-549-2161. Exponent tomorrow, no doubt. I'll see you guys. Oh, man, the 60 guys. What am I going with? What am I going with? If x, let me just come down further. Item 6 refers to the following diagram not drawn to scale, which shows that the angle of depression of that is 30 degrees. If x is 10 meters from y, which is this, the height of yz is, so all we have to do, every angle of elevation, you have an angle of depression, every angle of depression, so this is equal to 30. So this would be opposite, based on the looking from this, so it's opposite over adjacent. Let's see if we can find the answer for that. So it's opposite, so that's tan. So tan 30 equal to the opposite side, which is zy, over the length of 10. So it's going to be 10 times tan 30. Let me see if I see that. Yeah, that's A. Alright, so that one is A. See the number there if you want to contact me. 549-2161. I will not spend it tomorrow, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video. Ensure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can get the next video.